Hey, what's up guys? So we got another unboxing. This time it's the Anker Powerline Plus USB Type-C to USB Type-A. Comes in this little container. There's box. Right here, that. See, box.
Look at that. Now that is a box. It's got like some texture to it. That's what the box says right here. So let's open it up. Bam. Now that's a cord. Check that out, guys. Not happy? No, we're happy. Okay, there's two of them that comes in here. Look at that. Dang. This is like really thick right here. Super thick with like 2 C's in it. So this is what you get. Let me just open it up so we don't have to make this an hour-long video. This is how long it is. This is like 25 feet right here. It's right here. This is what it looks like close up. So remember, Anker products are backed by 18-month warranty. So if anything happens, you can call them. They will be happy to send you a replacement pretty much for free. That's it guys for this one. And the next video I'll try to chew through these to see if I can give them the break. Later guys.
Baby, donde tú quieras, yo paso a buscarte. Tú espérame afuera, pa' si no llamarte. No traigas paraguas como quiera, vamos a mojarte. La temperatura está pa' calentarte.
Areas, TS, video time. So hello guys. So there's two of us that were done made some potions. See, we got our potions ready. So if you went down below, there's it over there. You can subscribe to our channel. So in this round, every just item is done on. So here's Ariel with her happy face. So my dad's recording us, and we got lights on, so we can see the electricity. We can pay tomorrow morning, I think tomorrow morning. So that's our bunk bed.
Yeah, bunk bed.
Ariel's TS video time. So in this round, we did have so much fun here in Tiana's and Ariel's round. So we got our teeth on. So when I'm six, okay. So you can't know what it is yet. Dad, can I bend it down so I can see you? Okay. So Ari. So then what you got? Take the bend it down. There. Take. Dad!
Daddy, I see a small that taxi that needed to be down.
Gemma, we're gonna you need this right here, okay? Oh no, okay.
Well, huh?
Yeah. So,
Hold on.
Hold on.
I'm gonna fix it because I already cooked it for somebody.
Cricket. Oh, you named Cricket.
Okay.
So, in this round, we're
Gemma,
serious.
you need this camera right here, and you talk, and then you just leave it there, and then when you want to show something, Gemma, I have this camera. So be like, so we got this ice cream, and just keep talking to them.
Yeah.
And then once you get the ice cream, then once you talk about the ice cream, I'll show the ice cream with this one. Okay?
So,
Ready? Hold on.
okay.
Let's start over. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So, hello guys. This is Ari. You just say hello. There's this. She's side. This round we're making potions today. Are you excited? She's a little tired, but she has her heart dress. I love it. We're gonna make a potion.
Press subscribe to our channel.
So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So, Ariel, tell us what we're going to make. So, she's not this side. So, we're making post-its out of banana split. It's okay. She's there. It doesn't really pop on her. It's okay, Ariel. It's not gonna pop on you. No, it's not, silly. No, it's not. It's not the. Stop being sturdy cat. So, there's a bun bed up there.
No.
Yeah, Ariel.
No.
Boop.
No.
So, if you make this.
Please let your parents know. And when you are gonna let your parents know.
Oh, with a spin. Okay, and then I got this banana split.
See, Ariel's the same. Ari, we can't start yet. So this is banana split ice cream. I'm allergic to bananas.
No.
Ariel likes bananas. Ari, what type of fruit are you allergic to? Say, I'm allergic to all of the fruits. So I like all of the fruits. I'm allergic to banana. I like strawberry, chocolate. Oh, chocolate's not favorite fruit. Oh, it's just candy. So they add some whipped cream to it. So in this round, you have to decide who's the winner. We're gonna mix up the potion now. In three, 2, 1, go! So hard. Who's going around? So let's do this. Mine's gonna be so hard to mix. But I just mix. Okay. Everything's not just blow on you. Oh, it's turning into chocolate. See? Mixing it all up. Mix. Kind of like raspberry.
No, mine.
It's a potion. Just mix. Ooh, so it's turning into a chocolate. Since I like chocolate. Ooh, it's turning into chocolate. Hurry, mix up yours. Hurry, just mix. Like you're making a cake. Okay, so Aries the mix hers. Here Ari, hold it with 2 hands like this. Okay? Okay, you need to mix it. Oh, Aries, yours is not sticky. Oh, so the consistency, you can't drink it. Because if you drink this, because I have a bump on the back of my leg, and says if you eat it, my mom said if you eat it, you might get diarrhea and you might fire bubbles. Bubbles? And they might turn purple.
No, bubble.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you want me to eat it?
No.
Yeah? I'm not gonna eat it. So, this is turning into wonderful. It's turning into wonderful right now. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate banana. See? Smell it. So they said that it smells pretty good. Mix. With some plastic spoons. So in this round, Maria's out. She's not the middle. So she's so turn around, guys. We got a new Barbie dream house. If you want to make this, you gotta subscribe to our videos. So if you want to do this, please subscribe to our channel.
So tell them bye. Tell them peace, guys.
Wait, one more thing. If you ever did that Barbie dream house or the bunk bed, you gotta end this video. So bye. Bye.
Go tell them bye. Hold on. Go tell them bye, Ariel.
Wait, Ariel wants to mix up that. Do you?
No, go tell them bye.
Bye.
Tell them see you next time, Ariel.
Peace.